Hi guys, welcome to my studio. My name is Ashley. Today I am excited. I'm showing you how I shaped this abalone shell for a ring setting. First off, I used my safety glasses, a hammer, and a piece of thick plastic. I lightly tapped the shell to break it into nice portions for jewelry making. Using tracing paper, I traced the inside of the bezel with a pen and then I cut out the shape. Next, I placed the cutout shape onto the desired area on the abalone shell. I then use my inland grinder and I grind until I meet the line of the permanent marker. I will link all items used in the description box below. I used my 2020 grit wet dry sandpaper and try to get the line as straight as possible to match the setting shape. For the very final touch, I use E6000 to glue on that abalone shell setting. So there you have it, an abalone shell setting for a ring bezel. Until next time, stay blissful.